How to change Yahoo Mail language. If you want to change your Yahoo Mail in different language, follow this step to change the language in your Yahoo Mail application. The Yahoo Mail app follows your iPhone language settings, so you need to change your iPhone language first. Tap and open settings. Scroll down and tap General. In the General section, you have to look for language and region. Tap and open it. In the top of the screen, you can see the option of iPhone language. Tap on it. Choose your preferred language and simply tap on it. Then confirm by selecting Change to your preferred language. Your iPhone and Yahoo Mail will restart in the new language. And that's it. Now you know how to change the language in Yahoo Mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.